Okay, right now I'm headed out to get a young chaser named David Piano, and he's a great kid, and he's so enthusiastic. It's driving's getting a little hairy, but not too bad. All right, I made it to David's house, so I'm gonna get out there, pick him up. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. In a bit. Right now we're heading back out to Highway 6 and down to Burlington. So.
Yeah, this is gonna be a really bad storm, I can tell. I've never been really on a good winter chase before. We're at Spencer Smith Park in Burlington.
So we're gonna take a walk down to this end of the pier and walk back down towards the other end.
If my camera runs out of batteries, can I go back and get them?
Of course. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This storm's a little warmer than it normally is, so I'm getting wet rather than frozen.
I got the hang of this! I got some awesome pictures! This is awesome! I really love these big waves! It's amazing!
You ever seen anything like this?
Never! I've never been on a storm chase like this.
The waves are looking awesome, and David's loving it.
Got that one.
Woo! Hey David, how do you like this?
Awesome! It's awesome! I've never seen waves this big before.
So you think you're gonna start storm chasing?
Oh yeah, definitely.
A chaser is born. All right, it's beginning the transition to from ice pellets and freezing rain over to snow. So we should see about 10 to 20 centimeters the next little bit. It's actually warm enough that I actually had to change out of my other parka back into my red coat.
Oh, we're in for a big one! Look at that one way out there!
Oh, look at that!
Look at that! It's like a tsunami! Nice picture. That was good.
Well, we did it.
That was
David and I managed to get down to Burlington. We got the waves, we got the whiteouts, we got the snow. It's finally wrapping up now. It's time for us to get going. But a good chase, and I think David enjoyed it.
Oh yeah.
Did you like it, David?
Incredible.